top genres of 2019. Once again, pop has come out at the top, but there's a significant increase in the rise of Latin American music, and as well as hip hop and rap. This also does matter because this is for the past 10 years, and most of these artists tend to be within the topics as described of mostly dance and pop, while 2019, as supported by the previous study on the genres, there's a rise of rap, hip hop, and Latin American artists. Into consideration, I did a correlation matrix of the sound, so to say. And the biggest positive influences on song popularity, which is what we're trying to analyze, are loudness and danceability for 2010 to 2019. Negatively correlated was duration. So people don't really like long songs. And valence and speechiness, apparently for the past 10 years, was not really that relevant. Coming to 2019, it has changed a bit. Loudness and danceability have had a reduced impact on popularity. As you can see in the correlation matrix, 2019 had a much increased demand, I guess, for songs that were lower in valence. Lower in valence meaning the songs tend to be negative and more darker. And by darker, I don't necessarily mean angry or anything, but even sad or I guess just not very optimistic. Popular music trends in the upcoming future, shorter songs seem to be inevitable, and the data definitely proves towards that.